This is Ron Schutz again, continuing the discussion of how to prosper in 2022 and beyond. I hope you're enjoying these. If you haven't seen them all, you'll go back and view them all because they do go together. So here we're going to talk about Congress can actually cooperate. And the way they cooperated was the infrastructure bill. Now, why did they do that? Well, because for the last 50 years, we only spent about half of 1% of the GDP on our infrastructure. And historically, we've spent about 1% of GDP in our infrastructure. And I don't know about you, but on my street, there are houses that have deferred maintenance and deferred maintenance. Paint is crippling, et cetera, et cetera. And it's usually because the folks don't have the money to fix their home up, which is kind of sad. Well, we've had deferred maintenance in our home in the form of transportation and roads and bridges and all the other pieces that go on. So who are going to be the beneficiaries? Well, mostly people involved in that, whether they're architects or civil engineers. There's also other areas that'll be touched on in part of this Green New Deal that they incorporated, but it's primarily people that you see where it says slow down because there's road construction ahead. And we're at the early stages of actually doing the maintenance on this. This is something that's going to occur for a decade. They're going to push about $10 billion a month through that industry. And that's a lot of money, folks. So we want to make sure that we've set up for that. And this goes for anybody that is at all in business for themselves. Again, I'm just using the construction industry as an example. One is going to be the availability of skilled talents and experienced people. This is a point in history that hasn't occurred really in a long, long time, where the people that are looking for jobs, I have job placements out there, and we see it when you walk around any place, jobs available. And the actual people coming to seek a job, there's a huge gap right now, huge gap. And guess what? If you're a very qualified person and you want to look to change, it's plenty of opportunity out there to change. That's one of the things we're seeing is a high turnover of people in industry. Well, we want to help you have ways to make sure you keep the people that you really want to keep. We refer to them as the nines. And when we meet, I'll be happy to explain what that is. The other thing is to have a strong balance sheet. And I remember reading this, when a rocket lifts off from Earth's gravity, it uses 90% of the energy just to lift off. The remaining 10% carries them out to wherever they're going in space and brings them back. Well, I think it's the same way with us. There's a lot of inertia within us. I'm too tired, I'm too old, I'm too this, I'm too that. And particularly with COVID, you see people that are very concerned. Well, the business clients that we have who could weather the COVID storm because they had safe money available to get them there really picked up momentum in 21. And we saw that. There were contributing factors that impacted that. And going into 22, they've got enormous momentum. And that's what we want you to have as a business owner, particularly with this infrastructure bill and all the dollars coming your way if you know how to grab them and get them and take advantage of them.